Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the new chapter, that is 11th chapter, ratio and proportion. Okay, ratio and proportion. See here. Let's say Nilima is 12 years old. Okay, Ramesh is 6. Nilima is 12 years old and Ramesh is 6 years old. How to compare their age? How we will compare their age? Ramesh did so by finding out the difference. Okay. Nilima did it by saying how many times she is as old as Ramesh. Now Ramesh did so by finding out the difference. Nilima did it by saying how many times she is as old as Ramesh. How many times? Nilima age is twice as much as Ramesh. नीलिमा की जो एज है वो रमेश से 2 गुना ज्यादा है. Okay, we can give the same information by saying the Nilimas. We can give the same information by saying the Nilima and Ramesh age are in the proportion, that is 2:1. Okay, 2:1. If you are writing in this method, it is known as 2:1. Okay, now see here. Now what Ramesh is saying, that I am younger than Nilima by 6 years. Now, Ramesh is younger than Nilima by 6 years. And what Nilima is saying, I am twice as old as Ramesh. I am twice. Twice means मैं उससे 1 गुना 2 गुना यानी ज्यादा हूँ. ठीक है, उस मेरी एज उससे 2 गुना ज्यादा. जैसे कि 6 साल का है तो नीलिमा जो है 12 साल की है, तो दो गुना ज्यादा है. इसी के लिए we can write here 2:1. Okay, this is known as a proportion method. This is a proportion method. Let's see. See here. If 2:1, if you are writing, the proportion method is 2:1. If you are writing in this method, so you will read as it 2:1. Okay, and ratio, you are writing 2/1. Okay, this is a ratio method. This is a proportion. Okay, you will come to know slowly, and we will start with a practice set. See here, practice set 28. Now here what we have to do. In each example below, find the proportion. We have to find the proportion of the first number to the second. We have to find the proportion of the first number to the second. So what is the question? That is 24 and 56. It is given in comma 24 comma 56. So first here we will change it into a method, that is 24 upon 56. 24 upon 56. Now here what we will do, 24 upon 56. Here we have to find the number by which we can divide it. So how we will find the number? By a prime factorized method. By a prime factorized method. How? See here. Above I have done, but here if I will do in front of you, you will come to know. 24. Okay, 24. So here we will find by it is going in 2 tables. So we will write 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. After again, sorry, 2 2s are 4. Again we will write, again it will go in 2 table, that is 2 6s are 12. Again it is going in 2 table, 2 3s are 6. And after that 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now see here, the second prime factorized method, that is 56. Okay, 56. Now here you have always, I have told you have to see the unit place number. The unit place number is 6, so it will divisible by 2, that is 2 2s are 4. Okay, 1 remain from 5, we will write here, it will become 16, that is 2 8s are 16. So now second, 8 is there, it means it will also again divisible by 2, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay, again we will divisible by 2 only. Why? Because at unit place it is 4. 2 7s are 14. Now 7 is not going in any one table, so we will write 7 1s are 7. Okay, here we have completed factorize method. Okay, this is the first number factorize method, this is the second number factorize method. Okay, now here what we got the answer, first we will remove the common, that is 2 2. Okay, 2 2 multiply by 2, 2 2, it will multiply by 2. So what answer we got? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here we got 8, it means we will divide it by 8. Okay, so here we will divide it by 8. Okay, above it has done, so I am rubbing it so you will understand it very clearly. Okay, here it is done. So here we got the answer, that is 8. Here we got answer, that is 8. So here we will write 8. Okay, that is 24 divided by 8 upon 56 divided by 8. Okay, so here 8 in 8 table 24 is going. Yes, that is 8 3s are 24 and 8 7s are 56. Okay, here we got the answer. If you want to do a cross check, you can see here. Okay, see here, अभी हमारा न्यूमरेटर क्या है 3, यहाँ पे हमारा अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन कौन सा हमको मिला, जो कॉमन नहीं है, डेट इज 3. ओके, हियर वी गॉट 3. यहाँ पर हमारा अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन कौन सा है 7, सो हियर वी गॉट 7. ओके, सेकंड नंबर का हमको 7 मिला, फर्स्ट नंबर का हमको 3 मिला. यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो, बट इफ यू वांट टू डिवाइड एंड यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर, यू कैन डिवाइड एंड राइट द आंसर ऑल्सो, that is 3 is to 7. 3 is to 7. Our answer is 3 is to 7. Okay. Next question is 3 and 49. So here what we will do, first we will put in a ratio method. It is 63 upon 49. 63 upon 49 is equal to, now by which number we have to divide, that we don't know. So we will remove the factorize method. We will remove the factorize method, that is 63. 3 is there, it means it is divisible by 3 only, that is 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Okay, 1 is there, again it will be divisible by 2, that is, sorry, 3, that is 3 7s are 21. 7 is not going in any one table, so you will write 7 1s are 7. Okay, now here it is 49, and here you will write 49 is going in which table, directly in 7 table, that is 7 7 are 49. Okay, and 7 1s are 7. We have to remove the common factor. Okay, so what is the common factor? 7 7. Okay, so we will directly divide it by 7, directly by 7. Okay, so 7 9s are 63 and 7 7s are 49. Okay, here we got the answer. But you can do a cross check as I have told you. 9/7 जब आया है तो 9/7 आप लोग अगर unlike fraction, if you will see a unlike fraction, okay, unlike common factor, which is an unlike common factor, 3 3, first number, that is 63, unlike common fraction is 3 3. So we will multiply 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9. We got first fraction 9. Okay, second only 7 is remain, so we can write in second number, that is 7. Okay, here we got the answer 9/7. In this way, the whole practice set is depend in this method only.